English speaking challenge for 30 days. Day 9.
Ma voiture est sale.
Repeat after me. My car is dirty. My car is dirty.
Je vous ai donné combien?
Repeat now after me. How much did I give you? How much did I give you?
Maintenant je te dois combien?
Now I owe you how much? Now I owe you how much?
S'il vous plaît, quelle route mène à la banque?
Please, which road leads to bank? Please, which road leads to bank?
Je suis une étrangère ici.
I'm a stranger here. I'm a stranger here.
Allez tout droit, puis tournez à gauche.
Go straight and then turn left. Go straight and then turn left.
Mon père aime lire le journal.
My father loved reading newspaper. My father loved reading newspaper.
Quelle est votre marque de vêtements préférée?
What is your favorite clothing brand? What is your favorite clothing brand?
Nike est ma marque préférée.
Nike is my favorite brand. Nike is my favorite brand.
Quel type de téléphone utilisez-vous?
Which kind of phone do you use? Which kind of phone do you use?
J'utilise le Samsung Galaxy S.
I use Samsung Galaxy S. I use Samsung Galaxy S.
Je passe une nuit blanche.
Repeat now after me. I'm having sleepless night. I'm having sleepless night.
J'ai beaucoup de travail à faire.
Repeat loudly after me. I have too much work to do. I have too much work to do.
Tu parles à qui?
Repeat after me. Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to?
Je veux faire une réservation.
Repeat now after me. I want make a reservation. I want make a reservation. Very good.
Ceci est mon cadeau de fin d'études.
This is my graduation gift. This is my graduation gift.
Ceci est mon cadeau d'anniversaire.
This is my birthday gift. This is my birthday gift.
Je suis déjà à l'aéroport.
I'm already at the airport. I'm already at the airport.
Je viendrai vous chercher.
I will come to pick you up. I will come to pick you up.
Je veux transférer de l'argent.
I want to transfer money. I want to transfer money.
Je veux envoyer de l'argent.
I want to send money. I want to send money.
Je veux retirer du cash.
I want to withdraw cash. I want to withdraw cash.
S'il vous plaît, est-ce que vous faites le retrait?
Please, do you do withdrawal? Please, do you do withdrawal?
Où puis-je trouver un guichet automatique?
Where can I find an ATM? Where can I find an ATM?
Je veux repartir à la maison.
I want to go back home. I want to go back home.
Je suis très mal à l'aise ici.
I am very uncomfortable here. I am very uncomfortable here.
Laissez-moi vous expliquer.
Let me explain to you. Let me explain to you.
On va arriver là-bas à l'heure.
We will get there right on time. We will get there right on time.
Je veux réussir.
Repeat loudly after me. I want to be successful. I want to be successful.
On peut aller là-bas ensemble.
We can go there together. We can go there together. Let's learn English easily with English French class.